मम्मा, ये तो हमने ऑर्डर नहीं किया था।
ये हमारा ऑर्डर नहीं है, इट्स द स्पिरिट ऑफ रमजान।
वो कैसा?
मैं बताता हूँ। Close your eyes. A place where no one has to worry about breaking their fast alone. Where a simple date and a sip of water become a gift of kindness. And sometimes, a familiar face brings an unexpected smile, reminding us that generosity always comes with a surprise. Where children, no matter where they come from, can experience joy, laughter, and a meal shared with new friends. Ramadan is not just about fasting. It's about sharing, caring, and being part of something bigger than ourselves. Ramadan is a time of kindness, generosity, and togetherness. At Dolmen, we celebrate the spirit of giving year after year.
Dolmen Mall, the destination of choice.